Ross. Yeah, okay. How are you guys doing tonight? Yeah, my name is Ross. This is my first time. I'm just quite new to comedy, and yeah, I'm not a virgin, I don't know lah, but my hair can deflect quite a few people. So I know I'm studying psychology at Health University, and being a psychology student, I know what half of you are probably thinking, is my hair real? Malaysians like to ask me this question. Yo Ross, your hair original? Original? Of course not original, then what? Ceta rompa, hello. Just because I'm Malaysian doesn't mean everything in my life is fake. Anyway, people like to play this game, I tell you, especially when I go to queue up for a movie, because in the movie theater, if I see it, I'm surely going to block the person behind me. People know this. So I'm standing in the queue. People are all watching, looking at my hair. I'll pretend I don't know, I'll just look at my phone. Pretend, I don't know, just walk. Suddenly I turn, oh, they all turn everywhere, up, down, do not look at me. It's this game that we play with Malaysian, but some are brave. They'll come, they'll touch, what is this in your bag? Oh, it's so cool. Now you see it, now you don't. Magician or so. Yeah, my hair is waterproof, shockproof, fireproof, and if I do this, soundproof. The amount of time it takes me to prepare my hair, it's a long time. Only Africans can understand how long it takes me to prepare. The amount of time it takes me to prepare lasts longer than most marriages in Malaysia. If you're laughing at that joke, oh yeah, I find it very funny, and I don't know where most people keep weed, but I know where I can. Some police also cannot find it. Come on, I say dandruff. Sorry. I find it very funny when I don't know, whether girls lose it or not, but guys like to lose it. I go to the toilet, after using the toilet, must adjust the hair one. I look at this, all the Chinese boys, Lara Chan, straight hair, what do you want to adjust? Straight, also straight. You put all the gel, make spikes, so sharp. I tell you, the chicha fall, the chicha will die. If the chicha fall in my hair, will discover a whole new world. Yes, I'm Indian mix, I'm Indian Eurasian, and I like my Indian heritage, it's very funny. I find Indians very funny. Long time ago, people always wear the dot on the head, right? Because Indians communicate with infrared. Now they take out the dot, so we communicate with Bluetooth. I went one level further, I evolved, communicate with Wi-Fi. It's very fluffy, you can touch it later, it's really, really. For those of you who still think it's a wig, okay, it's not a wig, it's not a wig, I show you 100% real. Anyway, so yeah, I recently came back from a trip of Indonesia, and some people mentioned Indonesia. Yeah, I came back from Indonesia recently. Wonderful country, they really put Malaysians to shame, and the way they drive, I tell you, Indonesians can drive. Motorcycles are not cars. Motorcycles mostly in Yogyakarta, motorcycles, they drive so slow, the way they drive is amazing. I just cannot understand. You can just walk confidently on the road, and the motorcycle, they will slow down and they will avoid you. I only wish this could happen in Malaysia. See, in Indonesia, they slow down, they avoid you. In Malaysia, they slow down, then they rob you. But you know, Malaysian accidents is where we see the most interesting things about our Malaysian characteristics. I saw an accident on the road the other day, a bad accident. The guy was lying there, he looked like he was dead. I wasn't sure, but I was very curious as a comedian. What do the Malaysian races react to an accident like this? So I was watching as a typical Malaysian watch accident, and first on the scene is the accomplished Malaysian policeman. Now there's a problem with this sentence, the word accomplished. Yeah, so anyway, Malaysian policeman, he goes, and most people, policemen, they touch here or they touch here, so they can feel the pulse to see whether alive. Malaysian policeman can do the haram, so he walks off. Indian man sees a dead body. I tell Indian people full of drama. They see dead body. Ayo, Amma, Appa, why God did this to this man? Cry, pray to 152 different gods. Then the Chinese man comes. I tell you, Chinese people always think about money. Take pictures, send to newspaper, get 50 ring apart. That's why I always believe a Chinese man is the only man in the whole world who can look at a dead body and see a business opportunity.